everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. It is that time of the week when I show you my outfits for the week and my wigs for the week. So it's getting a little warmer now, so I've got to wear a couple of my sweaters. This is just a long shirt with some pink. This sweater here is super thin, trying to wear my last few sweaters of the season. I love the little, the sleeves have that with some pants. And we have this, just this plain, well, it's not plain, but the black and gray shirt. Oh, I'm not watching what I'm doing. With some black pants. I love this top. This is one of my favorite tops. And I paired that with some brown pants. And then I have this real pretty top. I'm gonna wear this burgundy jacket over it with these pants right here, and they're really cute. You'll see on the bottom. See the bottoms here have this. So now I can start pulling out some of my other shoes so that I don't have to wear boots. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that. So there are my outfits. And then those are my two wig stands. If we come over here, so I pulled out an Emmeline from Paula Young in dark brown. And then I have Avery in dark amber. I just did her in hair mail. Then I have Jon Renau Ignite in the 1B there. And then I have Renee of Paris, the Chic Waves in lilac cloud. We have Heather down there in dark auburn. I'm gonna wear Dallas this week in dark brown. And then I have Rowan in buttered toast just as a backup. So there are the wigs of the week and the outfits of the week. Okay, so that is what we have to look forward to. Okay, I will see you in the next video.